Good morning and welcome to the famous Philadelphia Funduro. Oh, it's a doggo. Hello, pupper. Oh, it's a baby Staffy. Oh, watch the car. Yeah, everyone has always said we must do this thing. I have actually done this track before. Where are you going, car? Okay, thank you. I have actually done this track before. It is a 70-kilometer route. There's a lot of people. My glasses are busy fogging up. I'm riding... brakes again. I'm riding with my dad's tires, which I borrowed from him for this one. A lot more grippy than previously, so let's see how it goes. Cool. Here we go. These tires are already making such a big difference. I can feel the difference in this little stretch already. Yeah, way more grippy. I can't drift anymore. Oh man! Oh, that was the wrong gear. Whoops. Almost missed that corner. Uh-oh. Ouch, that was a bad hole. Thank you. I can't see. Okay, my goggles are completely smudged now. It's just a blur. Ouch. Rider down. Hope he's okay. Nice little contour climb. Okay. Hi. My dad. My dad found some new gloves in his cupboard, which he gave to me. So thank you. I don't have to drive with a torn glove anymore. And like these are new, so they're not worn out like my old ones. Whee! Whoopsie. Whoopsie. I ended up in the ditch. Ooh, there's Table Mountain. Pretty. Whee! And whee! And whee! And whee! This one's a bit big. Whee! Still doing it. Whee! That's really fun. Whoopsie. Went a bit more wide there. Thank you. Whee! 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 What a water splash. Oh, that was not the line I was planning to take, but I got over. We have a down biker with something hanging out. Oh wow, shame. He picked up a whole mess of wire. Hectic. Okay. Oh, I think this is the KTM guys. That was parked next to me, I think. But yeah, that's not nice. That's a whole heap of wire. Bit of a ditch. And a yup. Ooh, slippery. Yeah, sideways. Sideways and slippery. Do not go together. Yeah, I want to pass you, but there's no space. Let's go through there. Wink. There's a rock. I'm going for it. Out wide. Still got it. Thank you. Big water puddle. Water. Ooh, this looks deep. Cool, and I'm through. Tree stump again. Narrow pieces. Whoa, there's a tree, which the bike wanted me to head to for some other reason. Okay, this is some nice tight technical stuff, which I like. Except these wheels make it a bit more difficult. Okay, I remember this. I do not want to end up in that water. Oops, missed the throttle. Uh-oh, ow. That was a bad bump. Here's the obstacle. Let's see what is happening here. Oh, there was a guy behind me. Here we go, it's not that bad. What gear am I in? First, okay, cool. Okay, that was a lot of steam. a cyclist. My seat is wet. Tree stump. Dink, dink. And whee! Oh, that was close. My backside slid towards that thingy. Tight little section again. This is so cool. I love this section. Oh, very bad dips. Hey, hey. That one was really bad. More water. Cool, eventually I had time to clean my goggles. No! Then one more water splashed up. Whoa. Came in way too hot there. There's a plane, there's a plane. There's a bike, there's a bike. There's a mountain. Ooh, look at the plane. Water. I was expecting to go left and then straight, not left and then immediate right in a puddle of water. Where'd the plane go? I want to catch the plane. Oh, whoa, there was a bad bump. That was scary. How do I get there? Truck goes there. Do they have drinks? I'm just going to have a drink. I had my sip of Coke. And now, off I go again. Here's a bumpy road. Oh, that was... Okay. Hey, I missed it. Go, don't get stuck. That was like a bad drop down. I just jumped in and then almost got stuck in the mud. But I didn't. Ha! Gotcha. Oops. My brakes did not work. There we go. Whoa. Ah, I'm in the ditch. Okay, I'm out. There's a lot of water in that ditch. And my goggles are dirty again. And the GoPro. Okay, do not end up in that ditch. It's deep and full of water. Another ditch. Oh, that was really deep. I wheelied over and my back wheels just like dug down into the water. I need to clean my glasses. Okay, wait, I can't see. Clean, 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 clean. Ooh. Okay, going into a ditch. Where to? Down there maybe? I'm following this track. Look at the cows! Okay. In the little Skelectric cat track again. Skelectric track. Oh, that's a deep ditch. Okay, cool, got it. I wanted to jump that, and then as I got to the top, I just saw the deep ditch on the other side, and I thought, nah, rather not. Locking up there, so that I can make that corner. He said something about going in a dam, but we're going around the bottom. Ah, is this where we're going in? No. Yes, no. Okay, we're not going in that dam. Ow, ditch. That looks a bit deep. I'm just following like the spurs on the ground. No idea if it's the right way. Ow. That bump was hard, or bush was hard. No, I'm definitely wrong here. Where does one go? I went wrong somewhere. Let me just find out where. Ow, that hard bush again. Oh, up there. I should not have turned. There we go. Cool, there's other turning tracks. Other people also drove wrong. But I found it. Up a very steep hill with lots of rocks. Oh no! I went towards the fence. I got very close to that fence. Oh, there's bare rocks. There's no one behind me. Oh, that was a bit dodgy. Okay. I was going sideways and my foot slipped off the nerve bar and it just sent me that direction. Whee! Oh, I remember this piece actually. Whee! It's like crickets flying everywhere, but it's pieces of corn. Wheat, not corn. You know what I mean. He's a thick piece of bush. Oh, there's a ditch hidden in there. I was expecting that. Oh, there's a dam. Okay, here's a downhill. A tight little section. Oh, there's a deep hole. Oh, I'm going this way. Oh, where'd you go? That's a deep hole. Ah, water! It was either hole or water, and I picked water. I did not want to end up in that deep hole. Oh, he's gone wrong. Okay, this way. Through the mud. Ugh, very muddy. Going around. Okay, everyone else did. More mud. There we go. Where is he going? He's driving completely wrong. Oh wow. My grip on my handlebar is coming loose. It's like turning. I have a twist throttle now. Wum, 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 wum. Uh-oh. Ow. Bad ditches. Okay. Do not joke about throttling and then end up hitting a ditch really hard. I'm not someone for speed. I like the technical stuff, but this is like that intermediate. You can go fast, but then suddenly there's a bad obstacle. And then you're like, like that. More water. I'm going through here. Because why not? Why is everyone driving the wrong way? What's happening? Why is everyone driving the wrong way? I does not get this. Okay. I have no idea what's happening. They really weren't lying when they said there's a lot of water everywhere. Ow. Why is there bumps in the corners? Oh, what was that? Sounds like a train track or something. Okay. I drove over something that looked like it resembled a train track. Could have just been a slab of concrete. Okay, slow it on down. You're going into... Ow! There was a big rock. Big rock. Big bad rock. Bad rock. Eventually another biker. Wow. I've been driving alone for so long now. It got boring after a while. But I'm passing you. Ah, water. Okay. Why didn't I just go straight through it all? Ow. Ooh, that's a bad dip. Sorry if the GoPro is wet. And my buff is soaked, I can't breathe. Wait, I need to... Okay. I can breathe again. Okay. My buff got soaked, so I couldn't breathe through the wet buff. I don't know if you can see through the GoPro, but I can't see through much through the GoPro, through the goggles. Let's get some fresh air on it to dry it up. This is a lot of water. Cool. I'm not gonna go fast through this. Because why would I need to unnecessarily splash myself? Thank you. Oh, that was a nice spin around. Okay, so I must go this way. Oh, further down. Okay. Oh, over there. I drove completely wrong. Ooh, the bad rocks. Nice and slow over this. Going this way. There's like no tracks here at all. Well, one or two. I think there's the two guys ahead of me. The hidden. What? Oh, I have to go through the hole in the fence. Whoop. Yeah, this is a really long track, and with it being a very technical track as well, it's exhausting. Drops. Oh, okay. I was not expecting it to come out of that one so quick, or for it to drop down that fast. Some water avoidance. This is really a slow stage, or slow track. It's very technical, so you can't go fast. Okay, we're near the end at least. Well, this is like the little one-way bridge, or single-lane bridge. Wow, this grass is long. Okay, so they said this water is deep, so I'm gonna be careful. Cool. Definitely going slow into this. Oh wow, that's really deep. Hectic. Okay, cool. I've got so much water in my shoe now. Yo, that was seriously deep. They said it was knee deep, which probably was, if not a little bit more. It depends whose knees you look at. And I assume it was a giant's knee they looked at. Oh, hello, big cow. You're a big boy. Hello. Wow, you're big. And now, right through the water, slowly. And then, which way? I'm going straight because there's an arrow there, but there's things pointing both ways, so haha, I found a loophole. Through the reeds I go. Oh, slippery. And sideways. See, there's another track there. I was like, it's split off both left and right. There you go. Did I drive wrong? I don't know. I'm going this way, they're going that way. Let's see. Ha, nice. Nice rock soups. Oh no. All good? Cool, there we go. And I'm out. Oops. I need to go that way. Can I go down here? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. I made my own way. Ooh, I'm tired. And this is bumpy. More water. Horses! Hi, horsies. Sorry if I'm scaring you. Hello. Ow, bumps. Oh, this is Philadelphia. Oh, I hope I'm still driving right. I'm literally driving into the town. Okay, so that was the Philadelphia Funduro. Unfortunately, my GoPro cut out when I took my helmet off. I saw the GoPro was switched off, so the battery ran out. So yeah, that was, I don't know how much of the end it got, but that was the end of the Philadelphia Funduro. It was a lot of water, it was very bumpy, it was very long. I got so tired with that track, but it was still fun. So I'll see you then at the next Funduro. Awesome.